Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to stop Telegram from automatically downloading files and groups on your PC, especially after the latest update. If you're tired of your storage filling up with unwanted media, this setting will save you a lot of space and give you more control. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram behaves on your device. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the Advanced option. Go ahead and click on Advanced to access more detailed controls. Now, look for the section related to automatic media downloads. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled In Groups. Click on In Groups to manage what gets downloaded automatically when you're in group chats. Here's the important part. You'll see different types of media, including files. Locate the Files option and disable it. This will stop Telegram from automatically downloading files shared in group chats. After turning it off, make sure you click Save to apply your changes. Without saving, the setting won't take effect. And that's it. From now on, files and group chats will only download when you choose to open them, helping you keep your storage clean and your app running smoothly.